Hey, how's it going everybody? Back here at Dash Trucks with another walk around video. If you like what you're watching and you want to stay up to date with our inventory, make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. That way you're notified every single time we post a new video. Without further ado, here's today's 2019 Ford E-350. This is going to be our 16-foot box truck with a ramp. This vehicle's stock number is going to be 40831. This vehicle has a GVWR of 12,500 pounds with a wheelbase of 176 inches. This box truck is rear-wheel drive with dually rear tires. And as we're walking around, I'll also go ahead and give you guys a close-up of those. Here at Dash, we like to provide the best quality possible, making sure that you guys are able to take a vehicle home that'll work with you for a really long time. Along with our tires, we do have our recently painted chassis. We paint every single one of our truck's chassis. This is to prevent any kinds of rust from forming, and we use a specialized paint for every single one of our vehicles. Right over here we do have our gas fuel tank entry, and of course this is flex fuel. I went ahead and opened up our box so you guys have a good view of what it looks like in here. As you can tell, we do have our cargo light at the very top. We have our tie down boards all across the sides inside the box itself, and in here we also have a length of 16.3, a width from side to side being 7.7, with our interior height being 6.10. Here we also have our opening width at 7.4, with our opening height being 6.1. Now I'll go ahead and also show you guys a quick close-up of our ramp and our tow hitch. And I'll go ahead and pull out the ramp and show you guys what it looks like. Give me one moment. Here at the end of our box, we do have our integrated rear pull-out ramp. As you guys can tell, this is going to be used for anything cargo related and loading the vehicle whenever needed. And this will just pull out and pull right back in as it's supposed to. Now go ahead and continue our walk around. Following this angle, this is what our rest of our vehicle is going to look like. Of course, we do have our dually rear tires, and again, this is just to show you guys a clear view of what it looks like. Here at Dash Quality, we like to provide the best possible for every single one of our customers. And then again, our painted chassis right underneath it. And now with our door open, this is what our view is from our passenger angle. Of course, we have our 3 seats. As you guys can tell, this vehicle is fully detailed. Here at Dash, our team makes sure that they fully detail every single one of our vehicles, and this is to ensure that you guys are able to take a very nice looking vehicle home. Now I'll go ahead and hop in front of our steering wheel and show you guys a close-up. Coming inside of the vehicle itself, on the actual steering wheel behind it, we see that on the dash it has 179,580 miles. This vehicle does have our power locks and windows, and then we also have our access to our headlights right over here, with our mirrors being manual. Over on this side of the vehicle, we do see that we have our radio. This radio works well with AM, FM, CD player, and Bluetooth connection. Along with that, we also have our AC. This works wonders. And as you guys can see, it is very loud and very powerful. Right now it is very, very hot here in Colorado, so it's came in handy. We also have our device connection plugins right over here, with our additional storage in the middle along with cup holders. Of course, this is a 3-seater, and I'll go ahead and give you guys a quick close-up at our engine. Here at Dash Trucks, we ensure that all of our vehicles are fully serviced and reconditioned. So please take a quick look at our 6.2 liter V8 gasoline engine. This engine is flex fuel capable and it holds 331 horsepower. This also runs off of a 6-speed automatic transmission. Here I want you guys to pay attention to the quality and the actual view of the engine itself. And that'll wrap it up for today's 2019 Ford E-350. This is going to be our Super Duty 16-foot box truck with our pull-out ramp. If you guys have any other questions on this vehicle, make sure you call us or text us. Our sales team are really good with reaching out whenever possible. Make sure you guys check out the link to the website. That is going to have all the information on every single vehicle that we sell, along with the warranty that we provide with them. That's our way of providing quality for our customers. That's just our way of providing quality for our customers. Make sure you guys also check out that small information snippet. I'll be leaving information I spoke about in the video just for you guys. Thank you tons, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.